The healthcare sector is ever-changing. Digital technology is making it faster, smarter, and easier for healthcare professionals to provide a seamless patient experience. But is your healthcare organization keeping up? All too often, we see valuable time wasted by healthcare professionals trying to access patient data from disconnected systems, only to find it inefficient, outdated, or inaccurate. The credit control process becomes slowed by manual and offline methods of adding charges and calculating fees. Patients are left dissatisfied with lengthy waits, poor communication, and a lack of trust in their healthcare provider, leading to reduced patient engagement and detrimental damage to your profitability. Here at Streets Heaver, we want you to spend less time on laborious tasks and more time getting back to what matters most, delivering first-rate patient care. That's where our comprehensive EHR and patient administration system, Compucare, comes in. Whether you're implementing an entirely new system, replacing an existing PAS system, or upgrading your current software solution, Compucare will completely revolutionize the way you work. We've been an industry leader in innovative private healthcare software for over 35 years. And we work extremely closely with our clients to ensure our software is continuously developed exactly how the user needs it in this ever-evolving sector. Compucare is trusted by healthcare organizations of all shapes and sizes, delivering a robust system that cuts cost and time while maximizing productivity through smarter processes. Compucare's intuitive interface lets you effortlessly navigate the patient pathway from start to finish with real-time visibility of your patient, no matter where you are. This powerful solution optimizes and streamlines everything from the initial referral, scheduling of appointments, and the patient pathway through to billing, invoicing, and full credit control. It supports the ever-increasing demand of interoperability for interfacing disparate systems with the ability to talk bi-directionally with your hospital systems, including laboratory, radiology, and drug monitoring, and many more specialist systems. What's more, as an NHS Digital approved PAS on the secure HSCN network, Compucare is directly available for patients to choose and book via the e-referral service. Compucare goes further. Compucare gives your clinicians the power to electronically record clinical notes, request diagnostics, and raise prescriptions. It provides your theatre professionals with secure digital tracking of all the stages of theatre. It allows you to easily manage billing for outpatients and inpatients, whether short or long stay, self-pay or insured, with stress-free card processing functionality to enable direct patient payment. And it makes your patients feel connected to their healthcare journey and confident in the exceptional services you provide. Reap the benefits of smarter scheduling, easier compliance, and faster billing with Compucare. So what are you waiting for? Discover Compucare today for better patient care. To find out more, visit streetsheaver.com.